Students. Next, Unit 4. The topic is boosting producer. So, what are the boosting producer? The definition of boosting producer. Boosting is a powerful immersive learning acute primarily used in supervised learning to improve the accuracy of models by combining multiple weak learners into a strong one. So, for example, the model is used to SNA. So, the reinforcement learning is a supervised learning, the core part of machine learning node. So, that one pattern is called as labeled data and unlabeled data. So, labeled data is nothing but supervised learning. Unlabeled data is nothing but unsupervised learning. So, supervised learning is labeled data means the model is what we have to say that model data, the training data, the model to train the data from supervised learning, that is called as supervised. From here, the boosting producer means one weak learner to boost up the producer to the strongest one. How to strongest one? That means the model have to accuracy the first powerful of the tech. What are the premises? What are the type of the what are the type of the improvement to strong one of the accuracy model to improve the methods and models to the weaker one to the stronger one. Okay, so the content is reinforcement learning. Boosting concept can be altered to enhance policy, learning and value function approximation. So, the content of RL, what are the contents? We have chosen the boosting producer means the weaker learner to the boost up of the stronger one means. Okay, that's a concept. So, the concept is adapting to the enhanced policy. Policy means P. So, the reward to the policy, what the action to the processes to the start status, that action will continue to the rewards and policy to boosting the adapting the concept of the reinforcement learning. So we have seen that the value function approximation. So VF, the V of S comma T is nothing but function approximation. Okay, next one, the concept of boosting in reinforcement learning. What are the concept means? The two concepts of boosting producer. How to boost the weaker learner. Okay, wow. So the boost value function approximation. Another one is boosted policy learning. So first one, BVF. What does a BVF means? A weaker learner or combined from the stronger learner. Example of VF. So already told no that V of S comma T, Q equivalent to V of ST comma AT. That premises we have to taken as a weaker learner to boost up to the stronger one. So VVF function method, the example of value function to implement the combine the weaker one to stronger one. Okay. Next one, boosted policy learning. BPL. What does a BPL means? To improve the initiative by the combining the multiple similar policy and to form the more robust and effective policy. So R and P, reward and policy. So reward and policy, the both will combine to the environment and agent. So environment and agent to sophisticated to all the weak learners into implement into the powerful boosting to the stronger one. Okay, so the BF is to help to improve the combining the multiple similar policy, reward and policy to more robust and effective policy in the boosting producer. Okay, so the boosting producer is nothing but the weaker learner to implement to stronger to booster to the stronger one. That is called as boosting producer. So the boosting producer, the two concepts we have to see in there, BVF and PF. BVF means the weaker learner to combine the stronger one. The example is value function. The booster policy is nothing but improving the combining multiple similar policies to form the more robust and effective policy. So these are and all boosting producer. So today topic we saw the boosting producer is weaker learner to boosting that stronger one. That's the concept of today we have seen. So the next concept, what are the boosting producer, the algorithms used to implement, premises to implement the reward and policy, the approximations of what the concept is, weaker learner to the strong one. How to the boosting the methods we have seen we have seen another class. Tomorrow class we see that. Okay. Thank you, students.